Would you like to earn at least £1,000 a week and manage your own business? Then what about a franchise with a record-breaking worldwide organisation? Even better when we tell you that the products you'll be offering will be needed by an ever-expanding market. Right, let's get down to business. The business of making money, that is, and introduce you to ChipsAway International, a group of companies serving the motor trades. Doesn't grab your attention? Then it should. Each division of this worldwide organisation offers a unique service using revolutionary techniques. There's ChipsAway itself, which provides an unrivaled method for repairing paint chips and scratches. There's DentAway, which is also unrivaled in the way it removes dents and dings. And then there's TrimFix, which offers the solution to repairing all sorts of materials, ranging from glass, plastics and velours. ChipsAway first began in Pittsburgh in the United States, and once established, the company's unprecedented system soon swept into Canada, Australia, South Africa, Europe and the UK. Today there are over 600 franchisees in the United States and Canada, and the success these people have encountered has prompted a massive demand for franchises in the UK, with a staggering 150 sold within a year. Although ChipsAway International is primarily involved in serving the motor trades, you do not have to have an associated background. All you need is enthusiasm and motivation. We will provide you with all the training and marketing support you need, and the cost of your ChipsAway or DentAway franchise also entitles you to your own legally defined, fully protected sales area. You also receive all your tools, training, a stationery package and a structured marketing launch to get you well and truly started. This includes offering you telesales backup, letters written on your behalf to local dealers in your area, and advertising in trade guides and magazines. We talked to the ChipsAway International training manager, who knows all about the support offered to franchisees.
We at the Training Centre are very proud of our high quality of training. This has come from experience of training 160 ChipsAway franchisees. We now offer a similar training program for DentAway and TrimFix. It is well structured, but personally tailored to suit the needs of the individual. This will ensure success of the DentAway franchisees and the TrimFix operators.
Take every car owner, every insurance company, every garage, every car dealership and every fleet manager, and you just about have the market for ChipsAway. It is absolutely phenomenal. What's more, it's a fact that almost every car at some time or other is likely to need a little paint repair, whether the damage is due to an accidental scrape, malicious vandalism or scratches and stone chips from day-to-day driving. And that's where you come in. A ChipsAway franchisee has the perfect remedy, quickly and effectively restoring paintwork to its former glory. ChipsAway is a unique product that has revolutionized paint restoration. It is the only motor vehicle paint repair system of its kind, and there isn't a car color in the world that the system can't match. A franchisee, thanks to our in-house training, becomes a skilled paint repair technician. Taking these skills, they then paint the chips and scratches, not the car, which ensures that the original factory finish is maintained. The technique is so good and so quick that it really is a case of seeing is believing. Another major benefit is that the franchisee goes to the customer rather than the customer having to go to the body shop, so you're not only saving them money, but time as well. Within a year, we sold a staggering 150 ChipsAway franchises, and such is our success, not to mention the professionalism of the organisation, that we're now on the provisional list of the British Franchise Association. This is quite an accolade, but so too are the comments of people at the cutting edge of this business, our franchisees and their customers.
I started my ChipsAway franchise in January '95. It's proved very, very successful. It was well worth coping with the cold of January when I started. Started hitting the targets that they projected fairly quickly. Within my first couple of months I was doing what they basically say you should be, which is £1,000 a week. Proved so successful in fact that I decided to really go for it and bought a second franchise. That I actually started in July '95, so ready for August, which is obviously a busy time for the car trade. I had 2 systems running, which has been very, very successful. Quite pleased and proud to say that I have actually consistently done over the target turnover that they've projected for us, and definitely well worth doing.
The reason we use ChipsAway is, one, the main reason is for convenience. We can actually have ChipsAway come to us on site with damage to cars, scratches i.e. on bumpers and bonnets, that they can actually do here. We don't actually have to take the car away. Secondly is the cost effectiveness of it, is where we actually save about 50% of our body shop costs. And thirdly, which mainly helps our stocking policies, where we have a 30-day policy, is where the car is turned round within that day. We don't actually lose the car off site.
If you would like an income potential of around £50,000 a year, then why not become a ChipsAway franchisee by calling the telephone number at the end of this programme. Here's yet another brand new franchise opportunity from the worldwide ChipsAway team. In line with demand, we are delighted to be able to offer you DentAway, our paintless dents removal system. There are 24 million cars in the UK, and this figure will rise. Due to this large volume of traffic, it is inevitable that there are also hundreds of minor bumps and accidents every week of the year. Traditionally, the only sensible option for repair was a car body shop, and this usually meant taking the car in for 3 or 4 days and then paying a huge bill. Now, the DentAway system eliminates both the inconvenience and the expense for the car owner. This is a revolutionary technique for removing dents. There is no filling, no painting, and no respraying. Just specialist tools and a trained hand. Dents are removed effectively and quickly to return the bodywork to a perfect condition. The technique is handled at a fraction of the time and cost of body shop methods. It doesn't damage the vehicle's original factory finish, and it can be handled on the spot. The car does not have to go into the body shop, you take the service to the customer. Your potential customers are every driver, every garage, every car dealership, every fleet manager and every insurance company. And as you should be able to handle at least 6 jobs a day at £35 each, your weekly income will easily reach £1,000 per week and more. If you are already a ChipsAway franchisee, then DentAway will comfortably work alongside it. The 2 products fully complement each other and will not only help you to gain extra business, but will also add further credibility to an already established name within the motor trades. If you're not a ChipsAway franchisee, then the opportunity is just as tempting, with high profits, enormous demand and low costs. To prove just how good the system is, we interviewed some people who have experienced DentAway firsthand.
Having operated my DentAway franchise for a relatively short period of time, I'm already finding I can earn in excess of £350 per day. There is certainly the potential out there to earn even more income from this system.
I bought a DentAway franchise some 5 months ago and have been very pleased with the way the business has gone. I've been looking in the marketplace, franchise marketplace, for some time and observed how successful ChipsAway had been. ChipsAway is the parent company to DentAway. We are repairing something like 10 cars a day and invoicing between £35 and £50 a repair. So you can see that it's a very profitable business. You've got no ongoing costs. All you do is run your car or van. There's no materials to purchase.
We're very pleased with ChipsAway's service, and we're more than happy to see that DentAway are now coming into the marketplace. We find ChipsAway a very effective and efficient company, and I'm sure that DentAway will be exactly the same, and we feel more than confident that they'll be able to take care of that part of the business for us, because it is a large area that needs taking care of within our business.
In return for a competitive franchise fee, we teach you the skills to earn a fabulous living in an ever-expanding market. You also get all the tools and equipment you need, together with a comprehensive stationery package, unlimited training and a large sole right sales area, with weekly profits after expenses expected to reach at least £800. This is, as we've already said, a revolutionary technique and a unique earning opportunity. From the worldwide ChipsAway International team, we are delighted to bring you TrimFix, probably the most comprehensive and professional repair kit ever available. As a TrimFix operator, your market will include car owners, fleet managers, the motor trades, insurance companies, the homeowner and businesses. And that's quite a market. Take a chipped windscreen, take a tear in your upholstery, take a rip in vinyl, take damage to a plastic bumper. Take any of these problems, and a whole lot more besides, and TrimFix will take them away. With our specialist kit and expert training, you will be able to repair as new all sorts of unsightly problems, whether it's in a car, in an office, or in a home. Using a high-tech polyresin and a specialist vacuum pump, you can repair chips and bullseyes in windscreens, problems that can make a car fail the dreaded MOT test. The TrimFix result is so good that the test will no longer be a problem. An otherwise immaculate car can be somewhat spoilt by damaged textured bumpers. Now, these scuffs, scores and scratches can be quickly and efficiently repaired by retexturing any black or grey bumper. Scuffs and scratches can also occur from day-to-day wear and tear. TrimFix has just the solution with its seamless and highly impressive vinyl repair system. Velour upholstery, wherever it is situated, is also prone to damage, whether it's from a cigarette burn or a sharp object. Our system can repair these holes and tears on any plain or patterned interior velour. Even leather and carpets do not escape the TrimFix treatment. Colour matching and permanent repair to all types of carpet and upholstery in cars, homes and businesses presents no problem. Most of the jobs we've just discussed can easily be charged at £35 each, and will only take you between 35 and 45 minutes to complete, so you'll soon find yourself into major profits. Another benefit of TrimFix is that it doesn't have to be your full-time occupation. You can handle it on a part-time basis, on weekends, on evenings, in fact, whenever you like. But remember, the more you do, the more you earn. Many people are already singing the praises of this truly extraordinary repair service, so here are just a few of these comments.
I've been operating TrimFix for several months now and it's proved to be very successful. I've already got a full order book and there's no shortage of work coming in. There are so many applications that you can put this to, and to me it seems it's going to be a very, very successful business.
As you will have no doubt gathered, there are basically three main elements to each of the opportunities we have discussed in this program: good products, excellent earning potential, and a fabulous support network. And whether you choose to take advantage of one or all of these opportunities, you're still a part of ChipsAway International.
We are sure we've given you plenty to think about. Telephone ChipsAway International now on 0800 731 6914 to find out how to become one of our successful franchisees. Remember, future success and a fantastic income are only a phone call away. So grab the opportunity now while you still have the chance.